That's so cool. Dang it. It's all rusted out pretty bad. What would you say this is early 50s? The old gear shift doesn't have a knob anymore. It's just I've had a couple Mustangs that were about, this looks like, you know, late 90s model like I had. So mine was a stick shift. I had 88, 98 and 99. I had a V6, then I ended up getting a V8 the next time. I always stop here every now and then to see, because sometimes they change it. They seem to have different things that sit outside here. Kind of fun to look at. I think I saw that last time. And that's the old 1974 Jeep Mel truck. But didn't see this. This is new. Yo, look who I have next to me sitting on this old tractor here. Pretty cool, huh? This old Farmall Tractor. Man. That's too cool. Old Dodge Charger from the 70s. Let's see. Not for parts. Oh, okay, so they don't want you stripping it out, huh? Not as bad as the other car. just rusted out so bad. All of these cars are. I mean, I like Dodge Chargers, but I don't like this one. I don't like this model. Not at all. Not my favorite. There we go. Ooh. This was the first generation of Buick Skylarks. Well, in the 50s, the Roadmaster Skylark was pretty nice, and now that'd be something that would be really sought after. But this was the first generation of just the Buick Skylark when they just started, when they went to this body style. And this particular model was made from in the mid 60s, 1964 to 67. And then, of course, each generation they kind of change the body style each decade. Oh, yeah. We'll check that one out a little bit. I kind of like the curvature of the side panel, though. Very cool. But the Skylark in the 70s looked much cooler. It was a two-door. It just had a cooler, sportier look to it. Kind of similar to the car beside it, the Dodge, that 70s Dodge Charger beside it. Yeah, I mean, even cooler than that, but it was just a little more similar to that than this particular 1960s four-door style. Look at that green Mercedes, that's kind of cool. Let me see if I can open it and look inside. That's kind of cool. Little heater knobs and air. Old speaker knows how old that is. Damn. Ha, DMX. Okay. I appreciate y'all joining me, and I'm gonna get on the road, get a bite to eat maybe, and I will see y'all next time.